Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz. Today we're going to give you a quick unboxing and walk around of the all-new Tokyo True Wireless headset from Urbanista. Um, we've been reviewing these products for some time now, and they've got lovely headphones and earbuds as well. And these named their tech after cities, so you'd see Urbanista New York and other countries like that. And really nice fashionable tech which is kept simple and modern at the same time. And let's check them out. So this is our first venture into the True Wireless, which is quite similar to what we've done before with the likes of Jabra here. And we have a couple of these pairs of Jabras up there, and we also have some from Studio here too. We have a couple of different other pairs as well, but this is the trend now. These True Wireless earbuds, a lot of manufacturers are making them now, and we can see the Urbanista tag here on the box, and on the back it'll just give us some information about the product. So you've got Bluetooth 4.2, you have a 4mm speaker, you have sensitivity of 42 plus 2 decibels, impedance of 16 ohms plus 15%, frequency range 20 Hz, 20 kilohertz. You have a hands-free microphone, you have a standby of 100 hours, you have playtime of 3 hours, and it's charged with micro USB, and it's compatible with iOS and Windows, and weighs 4.6 grams, and including the case is 28.5. And the case is a charging case too, just to get that across. So as you can see, the packaging is great here, and you can follow them here on Instagram, the hashtag urbanistalife. So if you take off the packaging itself, you get the charging case here, we get the two little buds here, and they're pretty on par with what's out there today. And what else do we get inside? We have a spongy box here for shipping, which will protect your goods. So you get your usual 3.5mm or your USB charging cable here, and some extra buds, and of course your handbook. So if you're new into this kind of tech here, I suggest you keep these books, because there's different features in these, and as they can be paired simultaneously or individually, you can use them for just like a Bluetooth headset for calls and so on. And some of them will have pass-through and stuff like that, and gestures, and so you'd want to keep them, as what features are on kind of headphones now is kind of trying to rest onto the likes of these, and it can be a little bit different. Sometimes you have to pair these individually, it depends on the manufacturer, or you can pair both at the same time. So if you're new to these kind of earbuds, keep the book unless you're advanced in technology. So here's the charging box itself, which is quite nice, and it is really small even compared to our likes of, for example, here we've got our Jabra case here and our Studio but this one is a bit more solid and so is the Studio. So this is just a typical plastic box with a nice rubber coating on it, but it feels really well, and the fact that it's small is good. And you pop the lid open here like so, and these are the buds themselves. Again, we have buttons underneath here, so you can feel that these are real clicky. We've got some buds on here clearly indicated left and right, and we have a space here which will be indicator lights to let you know the status, be it charging or connection, or if they're charging, connecting, or if power's gone, wherever the case may be. I'm not sure if these will give you instructions when you're wearing them. You'll have to check them out. And we can see the contacts there where they will match up with the aligning piece here on the box, on the charge box itself. So they'll just drop in like so, and you close it over, and you should see some kind of lights come on there as they settle in. And there's nothing happening there yet. Well, we do have a bit of activity there. We can see the light there coming on now to let us know that they have made full contact, and yeah, they've come alive now. So again, you can see this happening through the case as well, which is good. You can see the red LED popping on and off there, and that's pretty much it. It's a nice case too. As I said, it's small, it's compact, and really nice, and it's quite sturdy enough. And of course the Urbanista branding up on top there, and it matches nicely with their logo here on these earbuds which feel very solid and really nice to touch, and they look pretty decent indeed. So stay tuned for full review coming soon. Any questions at techbuzzern.com. We've lots of tech coming up, we've lots of videos coming too, and we will talk to you in the next one. And thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe. We'll see you again.